Welcome to WSCW Wall Street Closing Summary. Welcome back. Here's a quick look at how the market finished the day.
The three major indices closed mixed, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 rising slightly, while the Nasdaq declined slightly. Precious metals rebounded across the board, with gold rising by more than 2%. I don't want to feel so bad yesterday. On Friday, February 13th, markets took a cautious stance ahead of the U.S. CPI report, with capital caught between safe haven flows and speculative positioning. That sent the three major indexes in different directions. The Dow and S&P 500 eked out modest gains, supported by blue-chip heavyweights, while the Nasdaq drifted lower as tech stocks softened. Semiconductors saw a slight rebound.
Now, let's get into the numbers. Precious metals rebounded across the board. Gold climbed more than 2%, reclaiming the $5,000 level, while silver followed suit. Caution ahead of the U.S. CPI data lifted demand for safe havens, drawing capital back into the precious metals space. International crude prices edged lower. Concerns over the pace of the global economic recovery weighed on demand expectations, and inventory forecasts added to the pressure, keeping oil underwater. Cryptocurrencies stayed in their choppy downtrend. Weakness in tech stocks dampened risk appetite, sending Bitcoin and Ethereum slightly lower. Mega cap tech stocks were mostly in the red. Apple fell more than 2%, Google and Meta dropped over 1%, and Microsoft and Amazon edged lower. Tesla notched a modest gain, while Nvidia softened slightly. Semiconductors ticked up, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index adding 0.66% and TSMC SADR rising more than 1%. Though individual names were mixed, AI software stocks remained volatile, with Adobe drifting lower. The Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index dipped fractionally, with popular U.S.-listed Chinese stocks mixed. The auto sector saw a slight bounce, while internet names trended modestly lower.
That wraps up today's update. Thanks for watching.